Scribe Chisel brush features 8 VDM curved brushes, perfect for carving clean tapered slashes into your mesh. Hold Alt to perform the inverse stroke. While active, you can pull or extend your editable curve. The more polys you have, the cleaner your strokes will come out. With your strokes still editable, select Other Tips and click on your curve to update. When done, click on your mesh to commit. Scribe Standard features a single chisel brush for cutting into your mesh. Change your focal shift for a different look. Untaper your scribed creases by opening the Stroke menu and expanding the Curve Modifiers palette. Disable both Intensity and Size buttons and click on your curve to update.